Yup, what's going on, everybody? We're back with another video on the old Ranger, and as you can probably tell by the thumbnail, it's going to be a pretty short, sweet, straight to the point kind of video. And you can probably tell we got the hazards already on, just to give you guys like a little hint on what's going to be happening. So typically I usually run the switchback bulbs in all my trucks on the blinkers. So I was like, you know what, let's give the Ranger a try and see if it'll actually work. So we picked up these bad boys here off Amazon. Pretty sweet looking bulb, honestly. But the bulb size is 7443 and 7440. They're like $40 bulbs. I usually run last fit, but I was like, I'm not spending 60 bucks on last fit until I know if this is gonna work. So if these work and they fail, I'll eventually put last fit in here. But until they fail, we're gonna run these. They're pretty heavy, you know, they got quite a bit of weight to them. So I feel like it's a pretty quality bulb. Not sure, we're gonna find out. But oh yeah, the truck just had its first oil change. I know with a new vehicle, you usually wanna get that first oil change done fairly quick. You don't wanna wait too long. So we're at 3,400 miles now. We got the first oil change. So we should be good for a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video because I don't want to bore you guys with me over here trying to struggle to get these little caps off the back to expose the bulb. So once I get one in, I'll give you guys like a comparison on the blinkers. That way you can see actually how bright the LED compared to the halogen is. But yeah, stay tuned and I'll pick the video back up once we get one inserted. All right, so unfortunately the switchbacks are not working. That sucks, but the bulb is a lot brighter than the halogen. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the other one in. And once I get them both in, I'll show you guys how it looks. Because maybe it'll adjust, and being that they're both in, it'll work, I don't know. But I've tried all the light features and they're not coming on. I don't know if it has to be in drive or what, but yeah, let me go ahead and pop this other one in and I'll pick the video back up. All right, fellas. So unfortunately, I could not get the switchbacks to work. Blinkers work just fine. No weird chimes or noises coming from the cab, so it's obviously not going to have any hyper flash. I hope not, at least. I know sometimes you got to take them down the road before it registers that the bulb has been changed. But yeah, man, definitely going to be an upgrade from the factory bulb. So if any of you guys are on the market for a good bulb, I'll leave a link for these in the description. That way, if any of you guys want to pick them up, it's a click away, take you right to the bulb itself. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and hit that like button, smash that sub button, and stay tuned because we got a lot more stuff coming for the old Ranger. I know a lot of people have been enjoying the content on the Ranger, and I've been stopped 3 times now. People asking me about the truck, how it pulls the tires and how it drives and things like that. And I'll tell you guys the same way I told them, like, the truck is phenomenal. You can't even tell I put bigger tires on it. I mean, it pulls them just fine. There's no struggle or anything like that. Haven't took it off road yet, so I don't know how it will perform under like stress or a load or things like that, because I don't have a receiving hitch on it yet. But yeah, I mean, for what I'm doing with it right now, I mean, it does great. It performs like it's supposed to, plenty of power. Don't let these little trucks deceive you, and that's what I'll tell everybody, you know, because I was the same way. I was like, it's got to have a V8. I mean, after driving this little 4-cylinder with 33s, I mean, it pulls just like a little 5.3. I mean, might not sound like it, but it, you know, it's definitely got the power. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.